What if you could put graphene inside of a tire dressing? Well, Adams Polishes did. Adams Polishes Graphene Tire Dressing is a customizable tire dressing. You can put on one layer onto the tire, which will make it look like a matte, new tire finish, just like our VRT, or you can layer it 2 or 3 times to give it that nice shine, just like Adams Tire Shine. Now, one thing that's a little bit different about Adams Graphene Tire Dressing is the durability. Most tire dressings will not last to your next wash. They usually fade kind of in the middle. Adams Graphene Tire Dressing will last to your next wash. Now, Adams Graphene Tire Dressing is a little bit thinner of a formula. So what it does is it atomizes out of the sprayer better and it gets into all the nooks and crannies on the tire, which honestly, it makes it a more even finish throughout the whole tire. I'm gonna show you exactly how this works right now. But first, I just wanna say, we went ahead and we cleaned this tire thoroughly. We used our wheel and tire cleaner and our tire scrub brush. This tire right now is a naked rubber, okay? And that's how you want your tire to be before you apply this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how graphene tire dressing works. And what you wanna use this with is either a VRT block sponge or a Pro Tire hex grip. In this case, because this is a little bit more aggressive tread block, I'm actually gonna use the Pro Tire hex grip. And the cool thing about the Pro Tire hex grip is there's a glue line right here. And what happens is the dressing won't seep through into your hands while you're using it. So it's a little bit less messy. So I'll show you guys exactly how this product works right now. So we're gonna spray the graphene tire dressing into the tread block. And I stopped about right here because I don't want this to get onto the cement because this will actually stain your cement, okay? So we just get it to about there. And then we're gonna spray 2 or 3 sprays into the applicator. Now what I like to do is even it out here on the tire first, and then we'll go into the tread block after. So put this on here, you can see it goes on nice and wet. Now don't be alarmed with how wet this looks. It's actually, once it dries into a nice matte new tire finish. If you do want the wet look, you're gonna add 1 or 2 more layers on top of this one. That's gonna give you the tire shine look. So it does look like it goes on wet, but I promise you it will dry to a matte finish with just 1 layer, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this. I'll dress all of these tires as best as I can. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the car forward 2 or 3 feet, and then we'll get this section of the tire, okay? You can see this is already starting to dry out and become somewhat of a matte new tire finish. If you want the tire shine look, which is a shiny tire, we recommend waiting 10-15 minutes before you apply that second coat. What it does is just, the first coat is a good foundation. As you can see, it's dressed. You want that foundation to be there before you put the second coat on to give it that shiny look. Now, when you're applying Adams Graphene Tire Dressing to a low profile tire, we recommend using the VRT block applicator. You can turn this to the side and use this kind of thinner or smaller side of the applicator. You can really get the thin, low profile of the tire while using this. In the case of a really aggressive tread block, like these Duratracs, the Pro Tire hex grip just works a little bit better. One thing to mention about Adams Graphene Tire Dressing is it goes on dry. Okay, this isn't a petroleum-based or oil-based product that's really nasty and you'll get brown and nastiness on your hands, or even just anything oily. It goes on nice and dry, and it gives you that nice dressed tire look. Now, the cool thing about Adams Graphene Tire Dressing is it contains the same raw material that goes into our graphene ceramic coating and our graphene ceramic spray coating. Now, with reduced graphene oxide having the ability to be solubilized into water, we can now put that into water-based products such as graphene tire dressing or even our graphene detail spray. And what this does is it takes traditional products like these and it gives some protection and durability to these products now. And that's exactly what we did with Adams Graphene Tire Dressing. What this is gonna do is it's gonna keep the look of this tire just like this, and it's gonna allow your tire dressing to last from one wash to the next. And you'll even see some of those beading effects on your tire from that reduced graphene oxide formula. So we're gonna go finish every other tire. Thank you guys for watching, and I encourage you guys to check out Adams Graphene Tire Dressing. It's gonna be a product you guys will love for years to come.